Pete, we have a lot of customers at our shop that want to change their black cladding to the color of their vehicle. How do we show the viewers at home how to do this?
Well, it's very simple, TJ. Thanks for asking. First of all, you need to make sure that you scuff up all of the plastics to get rid of all the imperfections. Second of all, you want to make sure that you apply a bonding primer onto the raw plastics as well to give you that better adhesion when you're going to put the top coat on later.
Great, let's start doing this and prep it.
Let's do it.
I noticed when I was prepping this for primer that there was a scratch here. So I took some coarser sandpaper and removed the scratch before Pete primes it.
Before we apply our Universal Bonding Primer, we want to make sure we shake the can vigorously. We want to make sure that when we apply our Universal Bonding Primer, we want to make sure we keep the can upright, 10 to 12 inches from the surface, and always working in a back and forth motion, just like this. And that's it.
Pete, you're Picasso. You made this thing look so good, it doesn't need a top coat.
Thank you, but we both know we're professionals. We need that extra layer of top coat on top of it to protect it.
Fine.
For more information about this product and other primers, go to Rust-Oleum.com/automotive. Till next time.